Okay, as you can see, the database we worked on the intro is a little bit more complete, more workers in there. And the way you can enter that information is just here in our um, design view. Or I'm sorry, in our data sheet view, not our design view, in our data sheet view. Now that's one way you can enter in information. Sometimes, though, you don't really want to use it um, for this data sheet view where you have people entering in information here. Sometimes previous entry might get erased if somebody clicks on the wrong thing, or maybe you have sensitive information you don't want other people to see, or maybe you don't want to keep scrolling down to find where the latest entry is to input more information. So sometimes when you create information, you want to use what is called a form. And so what you can do for this is how we'll be doing it with our assignments. If you go to our Create tab and you go to More Forms and go to Form Wizard, this little wizard will pop up and you can decide what you want to be in there. So we only have one table to choose from, which is our demo table that we created in the last tutorial, and I want to put all of this information over there. Sometimes you might not, but for what we're doing, we want to have the option to type in all of that information but in a form. So I'm going to click Next. I'm going to go with the top option. You can choose whatever type of style you would like. It's up to you. And then I'm going to go to where it says Open Form, and then up here for demo I'm just going to say Demo Form. Alright, to make it a little bit more official and clear. Then I'm going to click Finish. And now you'll notice the information for our people from our tables is individually inside of this form. Alright, now the good thing about this, if you mouse down to the bottom where it says New Blank Record and I click on that, it takes me to a new one here, and then I have the name. So I can type in here alright, a new name, the department. I can say I can type in all of this information, and then in here you just do this one page at a time. Okay, and then this is how the information is. So I have that on there. I can hit save. If I wanted to enter a new one, I could. You know, it's up to you. And then what you can do is I hit refresh all, and when you go back to these these tabs, this is all the same file. Alright, it's not creating multiple ones. This is still a database, but now it has a table and it also has a form. And then you can see in here where we have the information that was added in for automotive. So before we only had one automotive worker, Thompson. Now we have Jared Wilson down here, and that's how we enter the information. So again, you can enter in information using this table, or you can go up to Create and then go to Form Wizard and create a new form and enter in information one record at a time using this.